spy shots from Austrian roads reveal a near-production-ready KTM 690 Adventure, signaling the imminent arrival of a machine designed to replace the heavily modified KTM 690 Enduro R units currently loaded with soft panniers and scattered along the Trans-Euro Trail. It has been far too long since the legendary KTM 640 Adventure was discontinued in 2007, leaving a significant gap in the market that KTM largely ignored, until now. Visually, the test bike showcases an entirely new front-end design with strong rally-inspired styling, dominated by a tall transparent windshield and a new LED headlight setup not previously seen in KTM's lineup. Behind the windshield sits a large navigation tower and a horizontally mounted TFT display. The roadbook holder spotted during testing is almost certainly just a factory gimmick and unlikely to make it to production, but the shift from a minimalist enduro layout to a more complete touring cockpit is a long-overdue evolution for this segment. Mechanically, KTM has chosen to play it safe. The revised 692.7 cubic centimeters LC4 single-cylinder engine from the latest 690 platform remains in place, producing around 77.9 brake horsepower and 53.9 lb-ft of torque, figures that are already familiar. Beneath the rally-style bodywork, the chassis follows a logical parts bin approach, using the same steel trellis frame found on the 690 Enduro R, Husqvarna 701 Enduro, and GasGas ES 700. The bike runs a traditional off-road wheel setup with a 21-inch front and 18-inch rear, complete with a cush drive in the rear hub. This configuration has proven effective in preserving drivetrain longevity and reducing vibration during long highway stretches between off-road sections. For suspension, KTM continues to rely on WP Explore 48mm forks and a monoshock, offering 265mm and 250mm of travel respectively. With the added weight of rally fairings and extra fuel capacity, stiffer springs are likely compared to the standard Enduro R. However, the base Explore components are often criticized for lacking precision under aggressive off-road riding, meaning serious riders will likely upgrade to WP Pro components from the outset. The most noticeable design compromise lies in the fuel system. Instead of adopting a low-slung tank design like the KTM 890 Adventure or KTM 450 Rally, KTM appears to use a 3-tank configuration positioned higher on the bike. 2 front tanks sit above the engine, complemented by a 13.3-liter subframe tank, similar to the Husqvarna 701 long range. While range could exceed 300 miles, it comes at the cost of ideal weight distribution for serious off-road riding. Expected to make its official debut at EICMA in Milan this November, the KTM 690 Adventure is almost certain to sell out even before launch, given the current shortage of mid-weight, single-cylinder adventure bikes that are truly touring-ready. Even so, beneath the camouflage, it's clear this is not an entirely ground-up revolutionary machine, but rather a clever combination of existing components with a few design compromises, particularly in terms of weight distribution. It may not be the perfect dream bike many had envisioned, but it still stands as a rugged and much-needed addition to today's adventure market.